Alright, so we got this belt leaser here. This one I just picked up. You can see it's got some problems. We're gonna need to do a little bit of work here to get this one going. So let's get some 50-50 going, and let's see if we can't get this all freed up. So if you don't know what 50-50 is, it's half automatic transmission fluid and half acetone. Mix it up, incorporate all the juice. Acetone will clean it. ATF will lubricate. Let's go with it. There you go, that was easy. Now we got these all going very well. Get some real oil in there, and then we'll clean it up. So I'm getting places. I mean, a little bit of leverage on it, but it's going. It's just got to work it back and forth till it's all freed up, nice and neat. So we'll see what happens here after it soaks for a while.